What's up, everybody? Okay, so I discovered the documentation after I did the video, um, and I found this little nice thing. Unless you're a DAZ published artist PA, the tool will only convert base resolution morphs, not HD morphs. As a result, the shapes will, they'll be crap. Okay, they're smooth. So basically, what it's saying is, if you're not a PA, you're not going to get the model that you want. You're going to get a smoothed out thing, and this is fine. For those of you that enjoy just getting their old characters in and having far shots or long shots, this is going to be fine for you. For people like me who like extreme close-ups and details, all about the details, this is absolutely irrelevant and useless. It means I have to give it back. Whatever, this is pointless for me. I don't know why they do this. I have no clue why they do this. They do the same with the DAZ, the ZBrush plugin. It hurts them. It hurts you. Why do you do this? You can allow people to create the most incredible art, promote your damn company, but you don't do that. Instead, what you do is you limit crap. The high-res detail. How are you going to compete with things like MetaHuman and Character Creator and all these other people that do incredible characters while you stay in the past? I don't understand it. Anyway, this is so disappointing because this plugin is really good. Yet, it's absolutely rendered useless in my case. Anyway, for those of you that don't care about details, that don't care about quality, that don't care about anything else, this plugin's for you. I'm a little angry about this, because I don't know why they do this, and it must be a DAZ thing, right? It can't be this person. He's built it in. I don't know why he would take it. If it's you, bro, come on, man, seriously. I don't understand. Anyway, for those that want details, high resolution, not for you. For those of you who want basic smooth models, this is for you, and a pretty good representation of what your model was. A worse version of the one before, then this is for you. Enjoy. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at Figure Converter for Genesis 9. Now look, we already had a look at the other one. What was the other one called? This one, the RSSY, character and material conversion, whatever. But if you just look at like the character converters, I wasn't very happy with this one. I think it's amazing, but this one's $30, okay? And you need the one for the female, so that's $60, okay? So this one here, made by ManFriday, my ManFriday, is $30. You get both, okay? All done, 8s, 3s, whatever. It's not the materials. We weren't looking at the materials. We're looking at just the conversions. And this one just didn't, it worked with some characters. It didn't. I would say it's a 50-50 shot or even less. I wasn't extremely happy with the results, in all honesty. The main figures that I wanted to get through, I couldn't get through. Now, it is a game changer if these two just fixed it and it worked with all characters. This thing would be amazing, but I picked this one up now, Figure Converter for Genesis 9, and this one seems to be working. Alright. So, Mr. ManFriday, well done. Let's have a look. Alright, I've got to load up my favourite characters, alright, Addy, let me load it up. Okay, so I've loaded up Noemi by Blujantois, which is, I don't know why, still probably my favourite character of all time. I just love this character. Anyway, you got to load up an 8, a 3, an 8.1, or whatever the hell you want, and then you need to go to your essentials and load up your character, okay? So you need to load this up. Just letting you know while this is loading, so just bring in another character, okay? Your Genesis 9, whatever. I didn't see this when I bought this. I never saw this plugin in my list or whatever. I didn't see it in my dim. I didn't see it anyway. So what I did was I downloaded it manually and I installed it manually. I don't know why it didn't show up in anything, but that's just the way it is, okay? So in case you don't see it, just download it manually and put it in manually, okay? Right, so here we is. I'm not going to touch anything. I've loaded the Genesis 9 and I've loaded the Blujantois. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Blujantois. I'm going to select the Genesis 9 and I'm going to go to favorites, character convert. No, it's not there. It's here we go, convert. Once you've installed it, you'll get like under convert select a Genesis 3 8.1 figure. You'll get this thing, right? You can click on it. And once you click on it, I'm not going to touch anything here. Base morphs, I'm not going to touch anything. What is this? You're about to convert active a single morph in a selected figure. This will combine all currently active morphs from the source. If you want only some of the morphs, then press cancel now, zero the morphs and start again. Okay, cool. G9 bases for a new morph. Interesting. Okay, so you can set this. This helps. I don't know. Base feminine. Yeah. Okay. You want them base feminine, base masculine, proportional. Okay. I'm just gonna leave everything as whatever. Okay. Whatever Ari. And I'm just gonna select this one. So create full body morph if yours isn't, or full morph if I'm just gonna select all three here, and I'm gonna hit convert. All right. And then let's see how long it takes and what we do about it. What do we do about it? Right, so once that's done, that'll run through the process, whatever, you'll get all of this stuff, and you'll get your characters, and then it'll say conversion complete, ManFridays, figure converter, whatever, the source figure converted successfully, the target, three morphs, and then what's cool is it shows you the three morphs, and if I hit show in parameters, it'll show me where the morphs are, which is cool. So you won't see anything much different here. You'll probably be thinking, what the hell, man? Nothing changed, you know? It looks hideous. It looks hideous, but that's because you just click on the show parameters, and then you can do the entire conversion. Boom. Damn. And it comes out so good, man. I cannot believe I have, and you've got these separate morphs for the head and the body. This is just, it's fantastic, man. Now look, don't put them all on if you got all three, because bam, you'll get what the RSSY does. I don't know why it does that, but anyway, what you want to do is you just want to do the one. Okay, the full body or these two together, and I mean, this is kind of pretty damn good. It's not perfect, okay? I've tried this character before. It's not 100% perfect, but damn, it is close, man. It is really close. So there we go, and then you can just give it a name if you wanted to. You could click on these, and you could probably Nomi G9, which I've saved out already, library. And then you can say save morph assets. It'll save the morph assets, and you're good to go. And now you can use this for any other character as well. You don't want to, I'm sure, but well, blending a little bit, you know, subtlety. But anyway, that's it, man. And you get the exact character. Now look, this doesn't do materials. If you want materials, you need to go back to these other guys. The RSSY, they do the materials for you, and what you do here is you can just delete the eyelashes, tear, eyes, and mouth. I think you can delete all of these, and then you can click on your Naomi converted G. You can go to RSSY, or if you don't want to do it this way, you can just go to favorites, material suit, and you can say material suit GF8, because she is a 8 female, and you can just click that, and it'll put on the suit, right? Then what you can do is you can just click that. You can go back to Naomi, all figures, how do you spell it? N-O-I-A-E. And then you can click on your character, you can click on your materials, and you can, now here's the, yeah, okay. And then you can just literally click this, I think, or no, you have to click all of these, I think. Look, I'm not good with this. I never bothered to learn it. It was just too much. But anyway, but I never managed to get the eyelashes right. The eyelashes or the tear ducts. Even if I click the tears, I know that you have to select like your main material, like this one for eyelashes, and then I think you got to click this, and you got to go favorites and material suit, and then this one. And please select the Genesis 9 character that is using the material suit. Okay. And then you click the material suit, favorites, and then you click this. It's supposed to be, it's doing its thing, it's converting, or everything fine, but the material never goes on. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or whatever, but anyway, I'm done with that. We are doing the conversion, and this conversion is pretty damn good, man. I think they did a good job. It's a lot closer. I can get my favorite, pretty much any character now Or let's have a look after this. Let's go an extreme character. But there we go, man. If I delete off here the eyebrows, the eyelashes, and I delete here the eyelashes, I mean, you're getting a pretty. It's the eyes. It's the eyes that are a little bit different. See, it kind of cuts there, and this one doesn't. Otherwise, man, it's a pretty accurate. It's very accurate, man. It's just the eyes, which is. Maybe they'll do like an update or something, and that'll be incredible, because please just fix it. Fix it so it's perfect. But look, there we go. Actually, the eyes are perfect. It's the actual eyeballs, which you can fix yourself. That's not a big deal. Okay. There we go. So that is actually a damn accurate representation. The few things that I do notice is the tiny little details. Let me upscale their reses to both high. Okay, so I've just loaded another G9 Essentials. Before we try this one, let's take the Genesis 9 and let's move her to high resolution as well, okay? So high resolution, and let's up the resolution. Let's see if this just helps with, so Naomi is on high resolution, and so is the Genesis 9 figure. Okay, we're good to go, right? So let's take this one, and let us say convert 3 to 8, and I'll be back. Okay, so that's finished, and let's show in parameters, and let's put it out. So there are some subtlety differences. I mean, it's not a 1-for-1. It doesn't look like it. Let's move out a little bit and just see. The big one is the definition. You see that? Like, this one is just, it's got more detail than this one, and that is it. That's where the changes are. The eyes you can fix yourself. That's totally fine. The eyeballs, but otherwise, it is 1-for-1. It is 1-for-1. Besides the details, please fix those details. That'll be incredible. So this is actually absolutely amazing. It's what I wanted. It's a simple, elegant solution. You load up your characters, you swap the one for the other, you can save out the morphs, you're done. You've got those morphs, and this is what I like. I think the approach is way better. I think it's well done. I think the approach is very different. I think what it's doing is kind of matching the kind of like mesh, what's that, mesh lab or whatever. I think it's kind of doing that. But a way better solution, man. I mean, this is accurate. This is accurate. Besides the heavy details, I wish they found a way to put those heavy details onto here. And I mean, this is mesh based, right? So why can't we get those heavy details? Why can't we get these details? Look at that, the lips, you can see clearly. The details are missing. The details of what makes it perfect. So the 8 still remains a little bit better in my eyes. The materials, I think if you change them out to the 8K materials and whatever, now you'd get better close-ups or whatever. But I mean, not much could touch these kind of models. They were so nicely done. Right, let's try something more extreme. Okay, let's try something really extreme. This is the Fallen One. Love this character, man. And this is a Genesis 3 character. So I don't know what to expect here. Let's have a look. First time I'm going to do it. Genesis 3, Genesis 9, and let us convert it into something beautiful. Let's hope it comes out something beautiful, maybe. And not going to touch a thing, and I'm going to convert. Okay, let's have a look how that goes. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this worked. I'm going to go to parameters, see them, and here it is. I'm gonna save these out because it looked like it did work, and I'm gonna call this what was his name? The Fallen One. G3. Okay, to G9. Okay, and I'm gonna save the morphs, and I'm gonna say yes or fine and close. So let's have a look. See. Okay. It's not perfect, this one. It's not perfect, but I mean it got close. It does what the other one can't do, and it got it to a reasonable state. Actually, I mean, It looks like there's a lot of cleanup you'd have to do, which I would take into something like Blender or Maya or something. But actually, I mean, it even tried to do the teeth, didn't it? Yeah, there's a lot of cleanup. Okay, so crazy extreme characters, less so, but I mean, it still tries, right? Still tries. Okay, let's try something else. Let's try another one. Okay, so we've got these two characters. I took a Gravewalker. I think it's a Genesis 3 Ultimate Zombie. I think this is a Genesis 3 character. Let's have a look at what that does, okay? So I'm going to take that, convert, and do this. Don't touch anything. You're about to convert it to 2. Interesting. Genesis 3 male. Convert 2 active morphs. Oh, okay, HD. I don't know what it is, but let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. Ari, let's see if it works. Okay, let's see what it did. Let's see if this actually worked. Let's see if it worked. That's looking promising. Yo, let's call this zombie, and I think it was a G3. I think it is a G3. Right, let's save those out, and let's just have a look at this work, man. That would be pretty damn sweet. Let's see. I mean, that is not bad. It's not bad. There's a lot of mess ups. There's a couple of mess ups around it, damn it. But mensch, why is it taking the? It's just that. Why is it doing that? It's trying to fit the teeth. I don't know why. Anyway, the rest of the face looks pretty good. It's not bad. Okay, and it gives you the low-res version, so it doesn't put in all the details or anything like that. It doesn't do that, which is a little bit. It's not amazing. I wish it would do that, but all in all, it's a good solution. If you want your old characters, it's a cheap enough and good solution to do it. I think they've done a pretty damn good job. Yeah, I think they've done a pretty good job, man. It's not 100% accurate. It's not the high-res details. It's not all. You're not going to get all of that stuff. So if this is something that you wanted, oh god, I don't know. If it's something that you wanted, you're not going to get that. You're not going to get that. You're going to get pretty much a good representation of it. A pretty accurate representation. You can get all your old characters back, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. You can get surprising results, some weird things that are happening. I mean, all of this detail is gone, which kind of sucks. This is on max res, by the way, so that kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. But so far, probably the best solution we have for converting. One of the better ones, more straightforward, easy to use, and it's one of the easier ones. I mean, you could take these characters and do them yourself somewhere else, but that's a lot of work. But for something that is bought with a relatively good price, this is it. It's not bad. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps. And I hope they keep updating these things. RSSY and this one, I hope you keep on updating these things. Make them better, man. Make them work. Make them work damn good. This one, however, works a lot better than the other one, in my opinion. It's a lot more simpler to use, and it's not bad. It's not bad for the price as it is now. There's a big sale on it. Get it. It's pretty damn good. All right. I hope you guys are well. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you later. Bye, guys. Okay, and the other problem is obviously putting the materials onto this, because this RSSY material converter only works with 8 and up. It looks like it. So getting your materials onto this character ain't going to be easy. There must be another plugin or something. Alright guys, just a quick end note. Have a good one. Bye guys.